I'm not even sure where I'm at. Altha Public School, Altha, A-L-T-H-A. But I'm driving down, so I'm on 71. I had got into Bluntstown, and I actually had to get out of there. We had to turn off, so my destination has been changed again. There's the post office. Oh, and I'm on Main Street, by the way. So maybe I'll put this little video on the Main Street thing. But look at this. Trees are down, houses are squished, electric lines on the ground. You know, electric lines look like they've been put back up, but I'm actually shocked that some of these roads are open. You know, it's like, are we still hoping? Can we find a sense to stay alive? Is it something that we may survive? Look at the cotton fields. That wasn't far harvested before this hit. Trees uprooted. It's going to take so much from everybody just to get everything back on track. So much. Talk about driving and feeling blue. Tree hitting here and hitting there and missing you. Just uprooted everywhere. High wires are still down. Just wow.